Good job. You turned a misdemeanor into a felony. Good job.
You're going to be placed into custody for battery, okay? So I need you to turn around and put your...
February 7, 2026. A grocery store battery. No witnesses, no usable footage.
Hi, are you guys having some kind of disturbance here?
Yeah.
What's going on?
One of the ladies, she's in by the cereal aisle right now.
Okay.
And that one of the other members, I'm guessing they left already.
Okay. Where's the person who called?
She's over.
Okay. Hi.
Yeah.
Here, let's get out of the way here. What's going on?
So there was a black woman and a high schooler blocking the way. Wait. And I said, excuse me. I go, excuse me. The kid heard me. He moved over. And then the one girl goes to me, you didn't say excuse me, blah, 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 and started the shit with me. And I was like, yeah, I did. And she goes, no, you didn't. And I'm like in the middle of the aisle there and she's here.
This aisle here?
2 aisles over, cereal aisle. But like, I'm just right there and she's over here. And then she starts saying, I'm going to, who do you think you are? About swearing and going on at me. Then she came over after me and physically attacked me. Like, she came over, grabbed my arm, grabbed my hand, tried to take my arm back. These are like girls in her 20s. And then the other girl, and there's...
This is the girl in pink that grabbed you?
No, the girl with her. The other girl with her is crazy.
What was she?
So the pink girl took the other girl off me, and I was by myself.
So the one in pink pulled the other one off you?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, but she's
And then they just started walking off?
No, they were screaming and saying, you're saying all this racist. I didn't say one racist ever in a million years, anything. They're saying... Then they're videotaping me. I'm like, I'm calling the police.
Were you injured at all during this encounter?
No, I'm okay. No, I'm fine. I appreciate that. This arm just came out of a cast.
Detention, Terryville, Ohio, 1968. A reported battery with both parties present satisfies reasonable suspicion. Lawful.
Oh, that's the kid. That's the kid who was with them.
Yeah. Hey, where's the young lady with the pink that was with you?
He was with
Hold on,
them.
come here.
He was with them.
What happened between you and this nice lady? Okay.
There they are. I'd be sure.
So she's alleging that you guys put your hands...
He didn't do anything, but he was there.
What did the ones that jumped her have on?
Well, they had on them little body, them little pink stretch pants and things, what they be
Like
wearing.
a bodysuit or like leggings?
Like just the leggings, yeah. The leggings.
Pink leggings?
Yeah, pink leggings, and one had on gray leggings. And it was 3 of them, but only one of them jumped on this lady.
Well, the one that jumped on her, what was she wearing?
Gray leggings.
Gray leggings?
Yeah.
Is someone here?
Hey, I'm right here. What's going on?
What's going
Are
on?
you guys all together?
What's going on?
Here, let's step over there so we're out of the aisle.
What's going? Because there's a lot of people right here. Like, I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Because I'm a...
Okay, first of all, no one said that. Apparently,
She did say that. How you gonna say she didn't
well,
say
I
that?
haven't talked to her.
Okay, so how you gonna
All
say
right.
she didn't say that
Well,
though?
I didn't say.
That's your first thing you say.
Okay.
She didn't say that though.
Did I say that she said it, or did I
I
say
just
no one
said-
said that?
I just
Okay,
said- you
so
just said she
so
didn't
how
say
about
that.
this?
That's
I
what
didn't
you
say
just said.
she.
Yes, you
So how
did.
about you
Okay,
bring
so
it down a
what's
little
up?
bit?
What's up? What we doing?
Security guard
What-
pointed you out. I guess you guys were involved in some sort of physical altercation. Okay.
Physical, run the cameras back.
What?
Run the cameras back.
How am I gonna run the cameras back if I'm
Well,
still here?
ask them, can y'all run the cameras
So
back?
I need your ID first.
I don't have an ID,
Okay,
sorry.
what's your name then?
What's my name?
Yeah.
Beyonce knows.
Okay, do you have anything saying so?
You said what?
Do you have any paperwork or
No,
any
I
sort of
don't.
ID?
Sorry.
Okay. What about
You
your
want to take it to
membership?
go get fingerprinted? You can do that too if you want to.
I mean, if we could go that route, we could
No,
go that
because
route.
that's pissing me off. She's fucking lying.
Do you have your ID with you?
Identification, Hebel 2004. States may compel ID during a lawful stop. Refusal is not Fifth Amendment protected. Providing a false name is a separate offense. Refusal also destroyed the subject's credibility as a co-victim.
Who touched her?
None?
Who touched
Okay.
her?
Look at the video. Yeah, you'll see her. But it wasn't my arm that broke.
And she grabbed your arm, you said?
Yes, she did.
Can y'all run the camera? Y'all don't have a way to run the cameras back?
Yeah, here, let me check my phone real quick. Oh, the camera's off.
Okay, I want to talk to you. Can I talk to somebody else, please?
See,
Can we?
if you come at me with the same amount of respect, then I will respect you.
I just told you she
Did I
called me
not?
that,
Okay.
and you said she didn't say
And
that.
words are words.
I don't give a. It's
Words
I don't care.
are
Don't call
words.
me no.
Words are words. You know how many times I get called shit?
You right. Words are words. You
Exactly.
right. You right. But did I touch her?
No, you're right. I get
No.
called. I get called away. It's
Oh, wow.
fucking derogatory terms
Whoa.
to
We
my
can call
race.
it. We've been through some shit. It's Black History Month, so of course a white funky gonna play with us because it's Black History Month. Of course, they're mad. They're mad.
See, that's not helpful, right? Do you mind, would you be able to help me kind of get them to calm down? Would you be able to do that for me? Because she's like not even happy that we're talking to her and we're just trying to do our job.
She grabbed it here hard, like real, not light, like really hard. It was like Move
Right.
around.
Okay.
Yeah, right there's her nail scratch. You see it right there.
So the one with the reddish hair is the one who grabbed you?
It's the one
Not the one in the pink, but the one with the reddish hair.
Yeah,
Okay.
she's wearing the pink hat.
And what would you?
his, like,
Okay.
you could see.
And what can we do to help you out
Well, what could we do? I mean, I just got tapped.
today? Okay. So did you take pictures of her arm?
Yeah, you could see the nail scratch.
All right. So basically, her putting her hands on you is a battery.
Yeah.
Right? So
I want to file charges.
Okay. All right. So we'll need you to stick around so you can sign the
Perfect.
form.
Hit me with her card, and all I said was, "You can't say excuse me now."
She okay. She okay.
Stop recording me, weirdo.
Who recording? Okay.
Okay.
I can
Sister,
record too.
It's fine.
I'm
You guys
right
are
here.
being recorded right now.
That's fine. I'm on camera. That's fine. But a civilian, whatever they want to call it, is I'm recording.
What you recording for?
Well-
You got your shit all like. What are you recording
Ma'am, do me a
for?
favor.
Make a report.
Can you talk to me and tell me what happened?
I don't know what happened.
Okay. Well, I need you to stop moving around. You're detained right now. Okay.
I'm detained.
Yes. So what happened between you and this lady
Nothing
over here?
happened. She bumped my sister with her cart. My sister
Okay.
said, "Ma'am, you can't say excuse me." She said, "I did fucking say excuse me." Ooh, she get to talking stuff.
And I say excuse me.
And she didn't say
I got to
excuse
call the
me.
police, right? And I said, call
So
me.
you
She
said
got
excuse me to
she
her?
got in my face. She got in both of our faces talking stuff. She grabbed my hand and bent my
Nobody
fingers
touched her.
back.
They don't have
I never
no cameras
touched
that y'all
her.
can roll back. They
So
don't have
she
nothing
detained
that y'all
too?
can look at, like, no
Yeah,
cameras,
well,
right?
she's there too,
There's
and we're
cameras
trying to put it
fully up in
together.
here.
So you're
What
saying,
do I look like
so
touching?
you're alleging that as you guys are saying, excuse me, just over this aisle dispute, she pulled,
Can I show
she
you
She was
pushes
being
your
rude.
fingers
She
back.
hit her with the car. She already.
She
Look,
seen
she had an
me right
attitude
there.
because
Okay,
me.
but she physically touched you.
Yeah, she physically touched me and physically
Yeah,
hit her with her
you
car.
can't say excuse me.
The camera will show that.
I said
She got
something.
upset
Okay.
because
I said
we was
something.
already standing right here.
Okay.
I didn't know she was behind us. So she's like, excuse me. And I'm like, okay.
We know-
I'm telling my little cousin to move
I'm
over.
having a hard time hearing you over here. Can I talk to you over here?
Yeah, I really don't even know why she called the police. My thing is, she started the confrontation. All she said was, you didn't say excuse me. That's it, that's all.
Was there anyone that you see standing around us that saw this that isn't involved?
I don't know nobody in the store.
But did you see like anybody here?
No,
That,
I'm not sure.
'Cause so here's the issue that I'm having. Right, I'm gonna level with you. So she's alleging that you grabbed her by the arm. Okay.
All three of my kids,
So-
I never touched her.
Well, okay, but that doesn't
I
help
never
me,
touched
right?
her.
I understand. So what we're having here is a problem where she's alleging you touched her first. However, now I'm talking to you,
She
right?
put her phone
And
on
you're
my face. I said, ma'am, don't record me. So when I put my hand right here, she grabbed my
That's
hand
when
and
she
bent my
grabbed your
fingers
finger.
back.
Okay.
Yes,
So she like pushed them back.
She bent them back. She took my hand and went like this.
Okay, and this is when you were recording her.
She was recording me.
She was recording you.
Yes, and I said, all because she said you didn't
So,
say excuse me.
so you put your hand up to tell
Yes,
her like,
I never
hey,
touched
don't.
her. This is how close
And so
we were.
she goes
took
like
my
that
hand
to you.
and bent. No, she took my fingers. Look, take my fingers, and she bent them like that.
Okay.
I never touched her. Never touched her.
Did she leave any marks on you from this encounter?
Yes, she did. She bent my
Okay.
fingers back. She bent them backwards.
She bent them backwards?
She did like this.
Do you need medical attention right now? for
Not
that?
only medical attention, but
Okay.
I never
All right.
physically touched her. Like I don't even know if she touched her. Don't know her.
You've never encountered her before?
Never know.
Never
It's
seen
the
her?
fact that she got upset because she said you didn't say excuse me. Well, she did not say excuse me. She started mocking. Then she called her one, called my little nephew a woman.
This woman right here. This is
Well,
the boy.
again, what people say, right? It's it's when things get physical that problem.
It never
So
got physical,
here's what I'm gonna try to do. Okay, I'm gonna try to get the staff to help us find footage of this because again, you guys are alleging. Again, I understand. I heard you out. Okay. At this point, I can't really say one way or the other. All right. She's alleging you touched her first,
She just
and you're
said,
alleging
"Come
she
up in the
touched
store.
you
I just
first.
want to get my stuff
So
and go home to my children.
I understand. We're gonna try to get this done as soon as possible. So do you have any form of ID with you?
I do not.
No. Okay. We'll take your name. I'm gonna have staff.
I don't want to get my name because I just feel like this is not fair. Like I have other stuff going on. Okay.
Okay, well, we heard you out too, right? So when we have an allegation that something got physical, right, now we need to investigate
What got
it.
physical? What got physical?
You told me she physically bent your
Right,
fingers
but I
back.
never touched her. I never touched her.
I'm not asking you
asked
about
her.
that. You told me she
recorded
got
without my
physical with you,
permission.
right?
Yes, you recorded me without my permission. You put your phone in my face. I felt threatened. So yes, I put my hand right here and said, "Do not record me." I never once touched her.
And that's when she grabbed you.
Yes, and she grabbed
Okay,
my hand.
that's what I need to investigate because if she grabbed you, now I need to arrest her. So you're saying she touched you first and she's saying you touched her first.
Probable Co. Illinois v. Gates, 1983. Visible injury, consistent account, cooperative complainant, subject's own admission. Subject refused ID, gave false name, offered no counter cause met. Arrest was lawful.
You see the problem?
I put my hand right here so she can
I
get
understand.
my phone in my
I
face.
heard you out, right? All right, miss. What's your last name?
I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this.
You're in a bit of a bind, okay? Because she's alleging and she's being cooperative, right? You understand what I'm telling you? Tony,
Nobody touched her.
can you try and see if we can pull up footage if they have a camera up there?
Like when I was on the phone with the police station saying There's two. It was all on 911.
Yeah,
It's
that's fine. The 911 call.
is not racist, you know.
I get you. Do me a favor. Just hang out over there.
Yeah, but I want him to know that.
Okay, I'll let him know.
Hang on with her for 1 second. I'm gonna see if you can get her name because we know that she put hands on her.
Yeah, I'm gonna have Diaz because they like Diaz.
We don't want him to stay with us. We feel like he racist.
You can't. You gotta stay
He
here.
didn't say me. He said
Both
her.
of you guys are detained. Both. I'm telling you, you're detained. Listen, you're about
You're
yay close to
racist.
going in
I don't want-
handcuffs. You are
somebody else done
detained.
with me,
Stay
please.
here.
Stay with
I'm
me.
advising you.
I don't
You are
want-
detained.
I
I don't care if you don't want me here.
what your
You are
device
detained.
is.
Detained. Okay.
Rodriguez 263.
Yes, ma'am.
Make sure you write
You are
that down.
detained.
I'm not detained.
You are. I'm advising you.
Put
You're
handcuffs
detained.
on me.
You want me to put handcuffs on you? I'll put
That's
handcuffs
when
on
you're
you.
detained. I've been to jail.
It's
I've
not
been to prison,
detained.
so that's when
When
you're
you go in
detained.
handcuffs,
When you're
it's
detained,
possibly you're detained or
you ain't
arrested.
lying.
You are
No,
detained.
you don't even-
I'm
got a
advising
job
you.
as a
You're
police,
detained.
don't even know what you doing. Stop it. Stop it.
Do you see anyone showing around that would have been an independent witness to this?
No.
But obviously, I mean, I would
No,
talk to your
because
husband,
it
but
was just-
he's gonna take your side
No.
because they have witnesses too that are taking her side. Do you see
Look
the
at the
problem?
camera.
No, I want to.
Yeah, we're trying to get the store's
Why she
cooperation
them
on that.
three and me in the home. No,
Okay.
they can't. She came right after me. I'm not bending any fingers, and I'm not touching any fingers.
Okay.
She scratched me here under my coat. She grabbed my arm
Yeah.
so hard and scratched me.
Okay.
Pulled my arm back. What's
We're gonna try to get this
I
video.
didn't touch her.
Did you happen to see if there was cameras facing
No,
that aisle?
no, I'm just
okay.
saying.
So I guess you're saying it's a new system, so we're not gonna be able to get footage.
They're not gonna be able to get footage.
Not today.
I don't have time for this. Like, I don't want. I'm just.
We have to document everything regardless, right? So I already got her.
Listen, at this point, she's been more cooperative. She's got marks on her arm, and you don't even want to give us your name.
I never touched her, so I don't know how she got
I
marks on her
understand.
arm. I never touched that lady.
Okay, that's
Now
fine.
I'm not giving you my name because now I feel like y'all purposely doing this to try to accuse me of some shit that I did not do.
I asked you, didn't I? I asked you what happened, and I'm like,
You
okay.
said that bitch got marks on
And
her arm.
now-
Like, I did it. I never touched her. What about my arm? What about
Okay,
my hand?
I asked you if you had
I got
any
marks on my hand.
Okay, well, like she's got marks on her arm too.
I never
so
touched
if
her.
you're telling me that she put hands on you, and you're my victim, but what is your name? You're not giving me your name, right?
So what are we doing? Why are you? What's going on? She said that
Well,
somebody hit
she's
her.
alleging that lady put hands on her first. Okay.
First of all, the lady said that I hit
However,
her. She
if she-
said that he hit her.
Exactly. He
So
told
who
me
hit
her
her?
story so much she don't know who hit her. Who touched her?
She said you specifically.
Can
and
you
that
stop recording? Because this ain't shit to record.
People can record you. And, like, yeah, sure they can.
Okay.
Okay, listen.
It don't matter.
Listen.
Record me.
All right.
My uncle's on his way anyway. He's a sheriff.
All right. If you're my victim, I need your cooperation, and you're
No,
not being
because I know what
cooperative.
y'all trying to do here. I did not
What am I
touch
trying to
that
do?
lady, bro. I did not touch her.
Okay, that's fine.
I don't want to go to jail. I did not touch her. Why would I touch her? I don't even know that bitch.
I'm asking you for your cooperation, and you have given me nothing. You won't even
I
give
did
me
just
your name.
cooperate.
And she-
I just told you what happened.
Okay, so I need your name if you're my victim, right? You're alleging she put hands on
But
you
y'all saying
first.
she's a victim.
Of course she's gonna say she's the victim. She's
She
the one who
just
called.
said all of us hit her. Now she's trying to narrow it down to she just
Well, I
hit
tried
her.
explaining to you what she
So
said,
which
but you
one
keep
just
talking
hit-
over
I don't, you ain't getting to the point. So why you trying
So-
to say anything?
You
Talking about my uncle on his way. He's
you
the
haven't
sheriff.
given
So
us
when he get
anything to
here,
work here.
we'll get to the
Yeah,
bottom of it.
okay.
We'll get to the bottom of it. He's a sheriff.
Okay,
He's on the way.
that's
He's on
fine.
the way.
Do me a favor, miss. I need you to turn around and put your hands
What do
behind
you-
your back,
what do you
okay?
want?
You're gonna be
They're
placed.
trying to take
You're gonna be
the
placed into
lady.
custody for battery, okay? So I need you to turn
How you
around and put
taking
your.
all this-
U of force. Graham v. Connor, 1989. Handcuffing a verbally resistant subject in a public space is within continuum. Speech, City of Houston v. Hill, 1987. Offensive speech is protected. No arrest on speech. Officers called it correctly.
You never touched her.
I need you to step away.
She did.
Don't resist. Don't resist.
Okay, I'll give you my name, sir. I did not touch her. Can y'all please believe me when I say
Put
this?
your hands behind your back for me.
No, they didn't run no camera. This lady is sitting here lying. G. She never touched this lady, bro. Give me your phone and stuff. Can I get her phone and stuff?
Back up. Swat in my head one more time. You're going to handcuffs.
touching me. You're
Back
touching
up.
me. You
Back up. You are
touching me.
interfering with
You're
arrest.
touching me.
Back.
Don't grab my hand. Don't grab my hand. Stop resisting. Stop. Stop. Stop.
I'm not scared of you.
That's fine.
I'm not scared of you.
That's fine.
I'm not scared of
That's
you.
fine.
You don't scare
That's
me.
fine.
I'm not scared
That's
of you.
fine.
So what's
That's
up?
fine.
What's up? I'm
That's
not scared
fine.
of you. I'm not scared of
That's
you.
fine.
I'm not scared of you.
No, y'all cannot take my phone. I'm not resisting. I'm not
You need
resisting.
to let go of your phone.
Why?
You
No.
are in custody.
Got my
I'm not going to
face.
get out of your face.
What
I'm going
you
to stand
talking
here.
about? Yeah,
I'm just
I
stand here.
bet. I bet.
Guess what? Because I
I
can still stand here
bet.
just as much as you
I
can.
bet. I bet. Yeah.
Still not doing anything though, right?
Next.
That's right.
Why would I
That's
touch
right.
you? Why would I touch you? I did 6 years in prison for
Ooh.
touching y'all bitches. Why would I touch you again?
Oh, that's something to
Why
flex
would I
on.
touch you again?
That's something to flex on.
Yeah, it's a lesson learned. Know the difference.
I'm not resisting, bro.
233 Tom, one in custody.
I did not touch that lady, bro. All right, babe, watch this. When y'all let me go, I'm going to show y'all last something.
Okay, sounds good. Keep saying that on camera.
I don't give a fuck.
Saying
Y'all
that on
ass
camera.
went on hearsay. way.
Yeah.
Y'all didn't even run the cameras that bad. Bitch. Y'all hurt my arm. Y'all.
If you can get her name. Stand up. We're not doing this.
Y'all hurt my arm. Y'all hurting my arm.
Stop tensing up.
I'm not. Y'all making me sick. Did I hit that lady? No. Exactly.
Well, where's your witnesses? What we
Right
need?
there.
I asked you for
I didn't know
cooperation.
what they was at.
I asked you for cooperation. You wouldn't even give me your name. So this is where we're at now.
Bro, this shit lame as bro. I did not touch that.
Okay. So it's not up to me to decide, right? It's up to a judge.
That's weird. I got 3 kids at home. My baby is sick as a dog.
Well, I'm sorry, but that's
Please. Not my fault. No.
Stop.
I'm not.
Squad, get back inside! You're under arrest! Put your phone.
Shoot me.
You kicked me in the face.
I didn't try to.
Huh? You kicked me in the face?
I didn't try to, sir.
Put your leg inside.
Can I please talk?
Put your leg inside.
I have a newborn at home. Please, I didn't try to kick you. You hurt
You
me.
just kicked me in the face.
I apologize,
You
sir.
just kicked me in the face.
I apologize.
Put your foot inside.
Can I talk to you though, please?
Don't touch me.
Back up.
Don't touch me.
Back up.
I'm not. Don't
Back
touch
up.
me. Don't
Back
touch
up.
me. Don't touch me.
Back up.
Don't touch me.
Back up.
Don't touch me.
Don't
Back
step
up.
up to us.
My
Don't
uncle
step
coming.
Back up. That's fine.
I'm gonna tell you.
Let him come.
He's finna
Let him
beat
come.
your
Back
ass.
up.
I wish he would.
Watch.
I wish he would.
Watch.
I wish he would.
Stop trying to run out.
I did not hit him. I did not hit that lady, bro.
Bend your knee.
I did not hit
Bend
her.
your knee. Stop.
No.
Gee, they in the car hitting her with batons and shit.
No, they're not. No, they're not.
They're hitting her.
Not even macing
They're
her.
hitting her. They're hitting her in the car.
I didn't try to kick him. You did kick him. I didn't try to. You kicked him. Let me go. You hurt my leg. You break my leg. You get in trouble. Ah!
Whose car is it? Take her. Take her. Take her.
Shut your ass up. Shut your ass up. You ass. I bet you want to talk like that. I bet you want to talk like that. I bet you want to talk
Come on.
like that.
Just go. Go ahead, walk home. Walk home.
I bet you want to talk.
Walk home.
I guarantee you.
Why? I didn't even touch that lady, bro.
Yeah, well, now you touched her and you kicked me and you kicked my partner, so
Sir, I did not try to kick y'all.
good job. You turned a misdemeanor into a felony. Good job.
Sir, I apologize. It was a reflex.
Yeah.
Felony escalation. Foot contact with an officer during arrest triggers felony exposure regardless of stated intent. Grades law enforcement. B. Arrest lawful. De-escalation attempted. Delayed injury documentation is the deficit. Complainant, a minus. Consistent cooperative documented injury. Textbook victim conduct throughout. Subject arrested. D. Refused ID. False name. Admitted contact. Threats on camera. Every decision increased exposure. Companion in pink. C. Stopped the assault. Credit given. Failed to de-escalate during the investigation. Lessons. Detention requires compliance. Refusing ID in a stop and identify state is chargeable, not protected. Cooperation protects victims. Contact with an officer during arrest even risks felony charges. For officers, document injuries immediately. Secure surveillance before charging. Gaps cost prosecutions. Let us know what topic you'd like covered next. Thank you for watching.